Prospective students are encouraged to catch a spark for UIC at the upcoming SparkFest 2025, a free all-day open house on September 20th on UIC's campus. Previously known as UIC Open House, the event offers future undergrads, transfer students, and grad students a chance to explore more than 100 sessions designed around UIC programs and majors. You can register at sparkfest.uic.edu to build your own agenda for the day and dive into topics like how to choose a major and how to pay for college. UIC staff, alums, and community neighbors are also encouraged to join the festivities. There will be free parking, games on the quad, UIC gear giveaways, and free tickets to see the Flames volleyball team play against Loyola that evening. Plus, stay for a performance by Grammy-winner and UIC alum Matt B. live on stage. To hear more stories about UIC, visit today.uic.edu.